I'm Maggie Yu-Dipasquale, Policy Organization Facilitator for the Wellness Programs at LA Unified School District.
And I'm Dawn Soto. I'm the Senior Training Specialist for the Food Services Division of the Los Angeles Unified School District. I think the best way that you can make a child feel comfortable and confident in the kitchen is to actually let them have fun. When you're preparing a meal, do it together as a group. Let them get their hands dirty, mix the eggs, toss the flour. When you're washing vegetables, let the water splash. If you have a blast and you relax, then guess what? Magic happens.
I'd actually have to say it's my father. He is a very active person. He's 82 now. You'll see him still running around, playing soccer, riding his bike with my 10-year-old niece. And I think I really learned to be healthy from him, keeping that healthy lifestyle. We grew up with a lot of food. I know, in the media, people are always talking about diets. We never had any type of diet restrictions, really, but just, balancing our food and balancing it with physical activity.
I got the best story for you. I knew I was going to work with food, be a chef, as soon as I was in Tiny Tots. We read a book, it was called Stone Soup.
Yeah, I know.
And we all cut a vegetable, we threw it in the pot, and afterwards we ate this vegetable soup. And at that moment, I always told my mom, I'm going to be a chef someday. And it was just a passion that always stuck with me. And I just want to encourage you to find your passion and stick it through. I find that when you're preparing food, you have an appreciation from what it takes to produce that food on your plate. And when you do the fruits of your labor, you're more likely to have a healthy relationship with food. And when you are cooking together as a family unit and you do eat that meal together as a family unit, it just naturally strengthens your familial relationships. And if you think even at your school level, you break quality with your friends, right? And you have a lot of social activity attached to having that meal together.
Well, we're all busy, and stress is something that's inevitable. It's always going to be in our lives. So it's really how we frame it. If you see stress as a bad thing, then it's always going to be something creeping up on you. Or as opposed as if you're thinking it, planning ahead can eliminate some of our stress, right? So with food, if you're thinking, oh, I'm going to be late, I have a million things going on, I'm going to have to run and get food, as opposed to prepping ahead, having maybe food prepped on Sunday, snacks prepared, and then your week is smooth. So pre-plan.
Just enjoy your journey. Live life to the fullest and find a healthy balance with your food, with your body, with your relationships.
Yeah. Cooking skill is really a big impact in your life. And then for you, especially if you love what you do, then you never have to work a day in your life.
Exactly.